Hujan lebat yang melanda ibu negara kira-kira 7.30 malam tadi menyebabkan banjir kilat dan sebanyak 4 jalan utama terjejas teruk. Ketua Pusat Gerakan Operasi Bomba dan Penyelamat Kuala Lumpur, Samsul Ma'arif Saidani dipakai Jalan Terbabit dengan Jalan Bangsa, Jalan Semantan, Jalan Pantai Bahari dan Jalan Kudu. Dalam kenyataan kepada bernama Samsul Ma'arif berkata hujan lebat yang bermula lewat petang tadi menyebabkan jalan itu ditenggelami air sedalam 1 meter.
Testing 1 2 3. Hi guys, so today we're gonna hit the Smart Tunnel.
Imagine enduring round-the-clock tunneling at 30 meters below KL City in the sweltering heat of 45 degrees for 3 strenuous years, traversing beneath live traffic, urban infrastructure, building foundations, and underground water tables. It was every engineer's nightmare, but we accomplished the impossible. This is a story about SMART. In 2003, MMC Corporation Berhad and Gamuda Berhad, 2 of the nation's biggest infrastructure groups, came together to find a solution for the seasonal monsoon floods that have severely affected our capital city, Kuala Lumpur. It was a radical idea in the making. They could build a stormwater channel. But what if the channel could work as a motorway as well? Would they solve the severe traffic congestion in KL2? Yes, they would design the first dual-purpose tunnel in the world.
You can see that the road inside here is a bit bumpy. It's because the highway itself used for water drain, where the water run during heavy rain in city. But at the sunny day, it works as a highway.
Actually, Smart Tunnel ni for the storm drainage and road structure. The project is from the national project and created by Gamuda MMC. For the objective, the main objective Smart Tunnel is to resolve the flash flood in the Kuala Lumpur and also the road traffic jam in the around the Sungai Besi.
So, is Smart Tunnel project solve the flash flood?
Actually not, but they are one project can be solve this problem in the higher percent, which is
Metropolitan Area Outer,
underground discharge channel,
Tokyo, Japan.
4 oversized turbines converted from aircraft engines can pump 13,000 cubic gallons or 50 cubic meters of water per second each. All of this floodwater is pumped into one of 5 mega cylinders that spans 20 stories deep into the ground. These tubes are so big that the space shuttle could fit inside. Designed to absorb the anticipated water volume of a once in 200-year flood, these cylinders angle the water so that it spins around the outside of the tubes to avoid a crashing impact at the bottom. As water fills up, it'll be pushed over to the surge tank, then out to the main exiting river. All the soil pulled from the construction of these chambers and tanks was used to build and strengthen up the riverside dikes, further strengthening Tokyo's protection against floodwater. Since its implementation, the flood tunnels and chambers have reduced flood damage in Tokyo by 90%.
So, what can relate to landscape architecture?
As landscape architect, we have to be innovative during designing our project.
So, flash flood disaster need to be addressed in design. This disaster can be overcome by a proper drainage system. A simple conclusion, good design solve problem.